That's what happens when you don't know what you're doing. And I sound like a cow with this. Hi, I'm home alone, my girls are away and it's a beautiful day outside, so I decided to go for a coffee and take you guys with me. Well, this is a bit more difficult than I thought with a camera in my hands. See this hill here? That's the part I'm worried about. Whoa! Flug, flug, flug! Woohoo! I'm alive! Okay. Right, I just threw my camera in the snow. Like all of it. My wife said I must stop using words really for everything because it's boring. So I will say the day is stunningly beautiful. So much work for a cup of coffee, eh? You'll see. It's worth it. I've never been in so much snow in Langrenski, cross-country skis. It's pretty hard to go. Look how much snow there is. You can't even see my cross-country skis. Oh, this looks like rabbit tracks or maybe a fox going into the forest. I was planning to go up there, but I'm not sure I can make it, so I'll just try to find a straight line to the sea, find a nice spot and make some fire. Well, that's what happens when you don't know what you're doing. And I sound like a cow with this. Oh God! I don't have my jacket on! I'm wet! I'm wet! Yay! I guess this is part of the adventure. But I still love this place. Look at this! Look at this view! Insane! It's... what's the word? I'm in awe by its beauty. Anyways, I found this little corner here, protected by the trees. So if some wind comes, it won't bother me. Well, I actually managed to make a fire without using matches and without using anything other than wood, which is a miracle. The plan is to cook some coffee, drink it, and head back home.
put some coffee in. Yep, coffee is ready. Anyways, I wonder what kind of coffee do you drink? You can write down in the comments. But I really just love the feeling of making a fire, cooking a coffee in nature and drinking it from a wooden cup. It's just something so special about it. Cheers! Skål! Coffee with a view. I think this is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said before, I wonder what kind of coffee you guys drink. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. I'm not sure yet what it's going to be about, but this one was really fun. I hope you have a good weekend, and well, it's weekend now. I'm not sure when I will publish this, but yeah. Talk to you later. Bye bye.